Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss most important terms which are always confusing the students. So what are actually the means S, P, D and F orbitals? So let's start. We have S, P, D and F orbital, and their full form are S stand for sharp, P stand for principal, D stand for diffused and F stand for fundamental. Now we will learn what are actually behind these terms: sharp, principal, diffuse and fundamental. As we know that in the subshell the electron are in transitions, that is, in subshells electrons are in transitions. So due to their transitions, spectral lines are produced, are collected. Spectral lines are collected, are produced, and these spectral lines are actually the responsible to give the name sharp, principal, diffuse and fundamental. And when the spectral lines are sharp, then the value of L is equal to 0. So when the value of L is equal to 0, the spectral lines are collected very sharp. And these spectral lines are actually produced by the transitions of electrons in these orbitals. So when the L value is 0, the spectral lines are sharp, produced by the electron in the orbital. Similarly, when the L value is 1, the spectral lines have a very higher strength, and these higher strengths stand principal. Similarly, when the L value is 2, the spectral lines are collected diffuse, or the spectral lines obtain diffuse. So these diffuse terms are actually due to this value. Similarly, when the value of L is equal to 3, we have spectral lines are in fundamental way. So when the value of L is equal to 3, the spectral lines are termed as a fundamental. When the spectral lines are have a value of L2, then the diffuse spectral lines are produced. Similarly, when L is equal to 1, the spectral lines have a higher strength, that is principals, and when the L value is 0, the spectral lines are collected very sharp. So in short, these terms are actually associated with the transitions of electron in the orbital, that is sharp, principal, diffuse and fundamental. These are related with the transitions of electron in the subshell or orbital, and these are actually the spectral lines. They give the shape of the orbitals. That's for all today, the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.